Hey guys, my name is Lauren. I'm a beauty blogger and YouTuber. My channel is my name, which is Lauren DellaFera if you want to check me out. And today I'm going to be showing you MŌDA's latest kit launch. These are super cute and there are two different color varieties. Honestly, I love them both. I feel like it would be really difficult to choose between the two of them. And these are their new Crackle Kits. So they have a rose gold Crackle Kit, and then they have an emerald green Crackle Kit, which is what I used today to do my makeup. I'm just about to go to work, so I did something quick and easy, and these brushes were super helpful. So this is a 6-piece kit, so you get 5 brushes for face and eyes, as well as a cute little makeup bag that you can use to store them in or take some essentials with you on the go, throw it in your purse. And as is the case with all MŌDA brushes, these brushes are all entirely synthetic, which means they are vegan and cruelty-free. They wash really well, they last a long time, they don't shed, and they're super affordable. Now, a lot of the cuts of the brushes in this kit are things you probably have seen from MŌDA before if you own some of their other brushes, but what makes this set really special are the handles. This is an entirely new design from MŌDA, and it is so cute. You have this really cool, it almost looks like glass, even though it's not, kind of styled handle with this crackle design to it. It is super pretty. Now, as far as what you get in here, let me quickly walk you through each of the brushes and how you can use them. So first we have the multi-purpose powder brush, which truly is a little multitasker because of its size and its shape. So it's not too large, but it's not too small, so you really can use it for a number of different things, and the bristles aren't too densely packed, so it's gonna give you a nice soft blend. So you could use this for all over powder for setting the face, which is what I did today, for just kind of lightly tapping or buffing on loose or pressed powder. Or you could use it for applying your bronzer if you wanted kind of more of a soft wash all over the face. Or you could use it for blush, which is what I did today, because it's gonna give you just like a nice soft sheer application, a nice wash of color. It's, again, not going to pick up too much product, so you're not going to end up with clown cheeks. Then there is the contour brush, which is one of my favorite brushes that MŌDA makes. This little guy here can obviously be used for what it suggests. It can be used for contouring because it's got a nice small size, so it's perfect for buffing out contour or bronzing powder right in the hollows of your cheeks or the perimeter of your face. It's just slightly tapered, so you really can get a ton of precision, but it's also very soft, so you're not gonna have any harsh lines. I used this today for my contour as well, and I feel like it blended my bronzer in pretty seamlessly. Or because it's more petite size, you can also use it to set down your under eye concealer with powder, which is also what I did today. Then we move into the 3 eye brushes that are in this set. All 3 of these are a little bit more on the petite side, which I actually really like because then they're usable for people with all different sizes of eyes. If you have really small eyes, which I don't, but I have done makeup on other people that do have smaller eyes, if your brush is too big, it definitely can make things much more challenging. It makes it difficult to apply eye makeup precisely, whereas these 3 guys are nice and small and very easy to use. So first you have the small eye shader brush, which is one of my favorite brushes that MŌDA makes. This is great for packing eyeshadow all over the lid. So today I just used a really pretty sparkly brown eyeshadow, and this made it really fast and easy for me to just tap that on exactly where I want it to go. Then we have the smoky eye brush, which is great for applying shadow to the outer corner of your eye. If you want to deepen things up, add a little bit of drama. It's a little bit of a shorter brush and the bristles come to a pointed tip, but it's also very flexible and soft, so it's great for both packing and blending. So you can pat that darker shadow on and then fluff it out so that way you don't have any harsh edges, and it works beautifully. I also found this to be super helpful for buffing color on my lower lash line as well, again, because it's so soft. So whether you want a true smoky eye and you're going to be applying some darker, deeper shadows that are going to give you that rich depth and drama, or you're doing something a little bit more soft like I did today, this is a really nice brush just for that more precise blending. And then finally, there is the angled eyeliner brush. This is an itty bitty, teeny tiny angled liner brush. You could use this with your gel pot liner, or you could do what I did today and use it with a little bit of black eyeshadow for a softer application. I really like that on, days like when I'm going to work and I don't want an intense wing or something like that. This lets me apply some really dark shadow very, very close to my lash line just to make my eyelashes look a little bit fuller without making it look like I'm wearing eyeliner. So honestly, I think this is a great little kit that MŌDA has curated and put together. Not only is it really, really beautiful, but all 5 of these brushes are very handy whether you're doing a glam makeup look or something more everyday appropriate. If you're interested in picking up this 6-piece Crackle kit, whether in the emerald or in the rose gold, you can find them online at the MŌDA website. Again, if you want to follow me, check out my other content. My Instagram handle is @littleblushingbirdie. On Twitter, I'm blushingbirdie, and my YouTube channel is my name, Lauren DellaFera. I'll put it on the screen here for you because I'm sure you may not know how to spell that. And on that note, I'm gonna let you guys go, but I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in another MŌDA video. Bye, guys.